drivers will then go for their balcony moment at 11:55. That includes Christian Horner, Adrian Newey, Max Verstappen, Sergio Perez, Daniel Ricciardo and Christian Klee. Then we have the main theme from 1890 to 1960. After that, it's a show in the Action and Sports Arena at 12:30. Drift, yes, Niki Lauda and Mercedes-Benz.
Gary, who was
Let's join our commentators.
for the time being, and we've still got plenty of